Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change Amazon country settings using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for amazon.com. And after that, just go ahead and log in your account. And if you don't have one, just go ahead and create one. Okay? So now what I want you to do is to click here on the flag option at the upper right side of your screen, and you want to click on change country slash region. Okay, so once you've clicked on that, you should see this select your preferred country or region website. Okay, so here changing the country or region you shop from may affect factors including price, shipping options, and product availability. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on the drop down button right here. So now just go ahead and choose the country that you want. So let's just choose, let's say Japan. So once you've clicked on Japan, you want to click the go to website button or this yellow box, okay? So now as you can see, we're on the Japan website on Amazon. Okay, so that's it. That is how you change Amazon country settings using your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.